Hi, this is your artist rep Yvonne with the FacePaintForumShop.com. Today we're going to be creating a super cool and easy eye swirl with Diamond Effects Wildberry. We're going to start off with the first three colors on the bottom, which is the dark red and the pink, using a 3/4 flat brush. We're going to go ahead and load it up nicely so that we get a good payoff there with the color. Make sure you check your brush and lay it over on the side of the eye and the eyebrow. Swoosh it up and then do the same thing with the red on the inside and swoosh it down. With the remaining paint, go ahead and use it for eyeshadow, kind of lining the eye with the dark red in the bottom. And then while it's still wet, you can spritz it with some cute iridescent pink glitter or glitter of your choice. We have many available on FacePaintForumShop.com. Next, I'm going to grab a sponge, spritz it, and I'm going to use the other three colors on the cake, which is the two yellows and the light pink. I'm first going to go ahead and blend it into the inner corner of the eye to create an ombre effect. Then I'm going to grab these super cool stencils created by the wonderful Denise Cole, and I'm going to use it to stencil it on both of the swooshes that we created with the yellow. Okay. We're going to do the same thing on the bottom. Make sure it's not too wet so it doesn't get drippy. Next, I decided to grab a little bit of iridescent yellow glitter just to give it a little more interest there. And I'm going to spritz it over the parts where I have a little bit of yellow. It's going to look super cute. Now I'm going to grab my Low Cornell number 3 and I'm going to load it up generously with Diamond Effects White. Okay. Make sure you load it up really good and your tip is nice and round. Test it out before. And go ahead and outline the eye, sort of a cat eye, but a wing as well. So we're going to wing it out at the end and then bring in a second wing in the bottom. And then go ahead and connect the inner corner of the eye to the line. Reload, and then we're going to create a swirl going outwards on the top. And then a second swirl over the top of that swirl going inwards. Okay, you do your swirl and then you add another little curl over it. Super cute for festivals, super cute for teenagers, little kids. Anybody is sure to love this design. Then we're going to add a few teardrops in the bottom along with a nice little swirl. It wouldn't be swirly eyes without plenty of swirls for sure. And finally, we're going to end with some reverse teardrops just to kind of fill in that blank space that we have there. You can always switch up the colors for Mardi Gras, for any type of event, but this is sure to be a hit on anybody's face painting menu. Alright, and then we're all done. Here's the finished product. We thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to visit us on the FacePaintForumShop.com for all your face painting supplies.